Thermostat buttons not working or stuck? That's super annoying but totally fixable, and I'll tell you how to get it sorted quick. So first off, if your thermostat buttons are stuck or just won't respond, try giving them a good clean. Dust and grime build up over time and can make the buttons sticky or unresponsive. Use a soft cloth dampened with a little water or rubbing alcohol and gently wipe around the buttons. Don't pour anything on it, just lightly clean the edges. If cleaning doesn't work, check if the thermostat needs new batteries. Sometimes weak power makes buttons act weird. Another tip is to reset the thermostat by turning off the power for a few minutes and then turning it back on. If the buttons still don't work, you might have to replace the whole thermostat, especially if it's old or damaged. When replacing, pick one that's simple to use and fits your system to avoid compatibility issues. Also, avoid using too much force on the buttons in the future because that can cause more problems. One of the most common mistakes people make with thermostat buttons not working is ignoring regular cleaning, which lets dirt jam the buttons up. Just clean them regularly to prevent this. Another issue is skipping battery checks. Dead batteries often cause unresponsive buttons, so swap them out every year or so. A third problem is forcing stuck buttons, which can break the whole unit. Instead, take your time cleaning or consider a replacement if the buttons are damaged beyond repair. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want trusted local contractors to handle stuff like thermostat repairs or replacements without any hassle. Contractors also find it super helpful because it connects them with real clients looking for their services around home projects.